Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Nami Okumiya. Code JUR566. Released on December 9, 2025. And it has 120 minutes watch time. The story is about brother-in-law and his sister-in-law. The guy was having a hard time finding a work, so the guy stayed at his brother and sister-in-law house. Apparently, the guy was not in good terms with his brother. One day, when her husband went out for work, leaving them alone at home, the guy talked to his sister-in-law and asked for help. So in order for the guy to have some motivation finding a work, the guy asked for a favor to do playtime with him. At first, the girl hesitated, but later on, she eventually agreed. So afterwards, they spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.